Herniated disc treatment. Regain comfort and function. Herniated disc in the neck or back can be painful, but surgery isn't only your option. Let's explore how physiotherapy can help you to recover naturally. What is herniated disc? It's when the soft cushion between the spinal bones bulges or leaks out, pressing on the nerves. What symptoms might I feel? Radiating pain into arms or legs, numbness or tingling, weakness in the muscles. McKenzie's extension. Lie face down and press up gently on arms, keeping hips down. Knee to chest stretch. Lie on back, pull your knees in gently. Pelvic tilt. Engage core to flatten your lower back. Should I avoid all movements with a herniated disc? No, guided movements is key to healing. Will help you progress safely. Start your herniated disc rehab today at West Hand Physio. Call 587-873-8808.